Hi students, good morning everyone. Today discuss AM5 challenges student task. In first one is if a square minus 1 into x square plus a minus 1 into x plus a square minus 4a plus 3 is equal to 0 is an identity in x, then find the value of a. Now right here given that what is given, a square minus 1 into x square plus a minus 1 into x plus a square minus 4a plus 3 is equal to 0 is an identity in x. We have to find the value of a. So from this given, a square minus 1 into x square plus a minus 1 into x plus a square minus 4a plus 3 is equal to 0. Then we have to is equal to 0 is an identity in x. Then we have to find the value of a. We know that ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 to be an identity in x. Then all coefficients must be equal to 0. We know that already this condition, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 to be an identity in x, then all coefficients must be equal to 0. By this condition, ax square minus 1 equal to 0. This is first one. First condition is a square minus 1 is equal to 0. This is coefficient of x square. So now minus 1 becomes 2 plus 1. Minus 1 becomes 2 plus 1. Square becomes to square root. When apply the square root to the number, we can take plus or minus. So root 1 equal to 1. So a equal to what, Nana? Plus 1 or minus 1. So this is a value. Value of a is equal to 1 or minus 1. Based on condition 1. Next condition 2. What is coefficient of x? What is coefficient of x? A minus 1. That is equal to 0. According to this condition, all coefficients must be equal to 0. By this condition, a minus 1 is equal to 0. Then write minus 1 becomes 2 plus 1. From condition 2, a is equal to 1. So last one is there. What is constant term? So 3. What is a square minus 4a plus 3 is equal to 0. Factorize this quadratic equation. So ax square minus 3a minus a plus 3 is equal to 0. 4a write like this, minus 3a minus a. Sum of these two terms equal to minus 4a. So from these two A is comma, remaining A is there here, and 3 is there, minus 1 is comma, A minus 3 equal to 0. So from this 2, A minus 3 is comma, A minus 1 equal to 0. This 0 share this 2, A minus 3 equal to 0 and A minus 1 equal to 0. Now look at here all of you. Minus 3 becomes 2 plus 3. A minus 3 is equal to 0 means minus 3 becomes 2 plus 3 and minus 1 becomes 2 plus 1. So from 3 conditions, from 3 conditions, A is equal to 1 satisfied. A is equal to 1 satisfied. Therefore, the value of A is 1. From 3 conditions, the common value of A is 1. From 3 conditions, the common value of A is 1. Observe here, in first condition A is equal to plus 1. Second condition also A is equal to plus 1. In third condition also is there where A is equal to 1. From these 3 conditions, the common value of A is 1. So therefore, the value of A is 1. Over it is. Now question number 2. If one of the roots of 5x square plus 13x plus k is equal to 0 is reciprocal of the other, then find the value of k. So now write that if one of the roots of 5x square plus 13x plus k is equal to 0 is reciprocal of the other. We have to find the value of k. From the statement, let one root is alpha, other one is reciprocal of alpha. That means beta equal to 1 by alpha. Next, we know that product of roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is alpha into beta is equal to c by a. 5x square plus 13x plus k is equal to 0. We get A is equal to 5, B is equal to 13, C is equal to k. These values we can apply in this formula. Alpha beta is equal to C means what you know, k. A is 5. So what is the value of alpha? Alpha is alpha. So what is value of beta? 1 by alpha. Alpha get cancelled. That is equal to k by 5. So 1 is equal to k by 5. 5 becomes 2. 1 by 5 becomes 2. 1 into 5. So what is the value of k? K is equal to 1. Therefore, the value of k is 5. Therefore, the value of k is 5.